I'm at Miss Dockery's. Claim number is 2486K055P 82225. I'm going to be doing a repair assessment with the IKO Cambridge Dual Black. This is my repair area. This is the shingle that we are going to be removing. To remove the shingle, we're going to have to work around 1, 2, 3, 4 of the surrounding shingles. I've got a putty knife, my roof snake, speed square, and a hammer. Let's go ahead and get started on this repair. And you can see these are still laminated, still attached. Gotta remove the nails. There's a nail. I got a fastener pull and a tear. Fastener pull. Another fastener pull. Fastener pull. Now we've got to move up to this one right here. For the nail. Fastener pull. This one should be able to slide right out. Just a nail. Oh, fastener pull. I can pull out these fasteners. Get it lined up. Nail it down. I'm going to use my roof snake. Take it right here. Using the roof snake, it just makes it go in at an angle. So I'm going to have to do it by hand. I've got my speed square to show that I'm not lifting it more than 45 degrees. This is 30 degrees right here. I've got to be able to get my hammer flush. So there's 40 degrees. Hammer's got to be flush in there to hit the nail flush. Not more than 45 degrees. showing. Right at 40 degrees. Moving up to this one. There's 40 degrees. This is where the fastener pull was at, so I can't put it back into that hole. $40 degrees. So we've got a tear right here. I've got to be able to get the hammer in there. Showing that's at 30. Now I'm at a little under 45 degrees. I can't get my hammer in there. Oh, that's tearing. Over here, make sure we get these nails in. Got a tear at 30 degrees. So this is torn, this is torn. We've got a little material transfer, make sure we get enough nails in there. We've got fastener pulls. Not a lot of delamination. Lots of granule loss. You can see it's just coming down. Oop. Delaminated right there. Creasing right there. To repair the estimated shingles, I think we're going to cause more damage to the surrounding shingles than what it's worth. I'm just going to put a fail. We had a little material transfer, we had tears, a little bit of creasing, and fastener pulls. We also had the delamination. So we got delamination right here. We've got a tear here, a tear here, and we had fastener pulls. So, this concludes our repair assessment.